Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep skating disco. Doesn't that sound fun? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig. I start with her eyes. Then, I draw her nose. Next, I draw a cute bow on top of her head. Now, I draw her face, and don't forget her smiling mouth and a little cheek. Let's draw her two ears like this. Now, I draw her body. Then, I draw her arm and her curly tail. I draw her two legs like this. Let's make her dress extra cute by drawing star patterns on it. Now, let's draw Suzy sheep. I start with her eyes. Then, I draw her face and a flower on her head. Let's add her smiling mouth and cute cheeks. Next, I draw her two ears. I continue to draw her body. Then, I draw two arms and her tail. Now, I draw her two legs like this. Let's add heart-shaped patterns on her dress. I'm going to use this black marker to make the drawing nice and clear. Now, let's color together. First, I use red to color Peppa's dress. Then, I color Peppa's skating shoes with pink and yellow. Next, I use red, green, yellow, and pink to make everything colorful and fun. I color Suzy's cheeks just like this. So cute! For Suzy's dress, I use light purple. Then, I add light green, yellow, purple, green, and blue to her dress. Wow, so colorful! I color this part pink. Then, I use gray to color some parts of Suzy. For Suzy's skating shoes, I use yellow and sky blue. Now, I use light pink to color Peppa's skin. Finally, I color Peppa's mouth and cheek like this. Great job, everyone! Our drawing of Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep skating disco is done, and it looks amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video. Goodbye!